Assalamu alaikum, all Muslim, all people, men and women in Atlanta. Al Futi Day, Al Futi Day. If you listen Al Futi Day, you have to remember Sheikh Umar Al Futi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Al Futi Day, run the Sheikh Umar Al Futi from Atlanta, celebrate August 29 at 5 o'clock p.m. Address Masjid Sheikh Ahmed Tijani Sharif, 80-2050 Goodbye Air and College Park GA 30349 Auguste 30. Auguste 30, Hotel Indigo Atlanta, Airport College Park Boulevard from 6 o'clock p.m. to 12 midnight. 1776 Harvard Avenue, College Park GA 30337. Contact Yaital Madam Bojo Fall 1678 437 7218. Mr. Pabdudu Tal in Atlanta. Number phone 1404 514 2929. The big day of Islam is coming in Atlanta. You have to contact all these people. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Sheikh Umar Al Futi Day.